Hi there, if you are looking for tropical living at its finest, then you need to visit this property in Playa Grande. Here we have a sprawling, custom-made 5-bedroom home located on just under 2 acres with its own saltwater pool, its own private putt-putt and chipping green, and endless outdoor space. What's more, we are located in one of the fastest growing communities, probably on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. If all this sounds great to you, then you need to watch this video. Sarah Breitlander here, co-owner of Crane Luxury Real Estate.
And today I'd like to show you one of our top luxury listings.
Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here from Crane Luxury Real Estate, coming to you from the sunny shores of Costa Rica. And today I'd like you to check out this listing, Casa Rico. It's truly one of a kind in Playa Grande. But first, please like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see a really amazing inventory of homes in the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. Let's get started. I'm actually standing in the doorway. This is a cool home. I'm going to try to make it fast because we have a lot of real estate to cover today, literally a lot of real estate. Come on in, look at this amazing entry door, and welcome you guys to Casa Rico. Come on in. The first thing you're going to notice, this is a sprawling, as you can see, 5-bedroom home. This is your entry, and what a great entry it is. You've got a ton of light, a real statement piece in the view itself, right? This is a really cool property. We are located on about 2 acres here, just under 2 acres, which is amazing. This is a very livable home. And it really tells a great story, and I'll get to that in a moment. But you can see you've got vaulted ceilings. You've got 2 amazing ceiling fans here, very sharp and sophisticated look, but you do not need the AC on if you don't want it on. This will cool down the home itself. You've got engineered bamboo flooring here. Look at this Guanacaste wood table. This is a really cool home. And one of the reasons I like this home, and something that makes it very unique, is that it was custom made as the living home from a contractor who's from Canada, a very well-known contractor who had great success in Canada making custom-built homes. He's also Costa Rican. So I think that's so cool because I think a lot of times, you know, one of the things we strive to do is to have homes here in Costa Rica that are beautiful tropical living, but that reach those expectations of my Canadian and US clients. This is one of those homes because it's made by a builder who's used to those standards, but also he's Costa Rican. So he knows exactly how to take in the natural light, how to position the home best that it takes advantage of the beautiful mountain and valley views. You know, he's really bringing the best of his home country into this home. So I think that's just lovely. Another reason I love this home is the kitchen. If you can't tell, this is a pretty amazing kitchen. Huge island here, so this is kind of the heart of the kitchen. You've got amazing upgraded appliances everywhere. Let's start with this. You know, it's a ventless stove, but of course, this pops right up when you're cooking. Really nice. These are very high-end appliances, all Fisher Paykel here. You have dueling spice racks on the side. It's just a really great look. Super high-end appliances. Here is your refrigerator, so it doesn't even look like you have appliances here, but this is your wall of appliances. Really nice, sharp look, ton of space, and I love the look here. Look at this tile. I think that's really great, the accents. You also have floating shelves here, lazy Susans, like every square inch has been thought out, and an amazing large pantry, just a ton of space. Why? Because this was built by a tried and true Canadian builder for his family, and it shows. It really shows. What a great space. I think the tile's really cool. Another reason I like this, you have 2 wings that we're going to explore. So come with me. Another one of my favorites. Check out this principal bedroom. Doesn't get better than this. We have a super large space, and look at the view. Every day you would wake up to this. Isn't this beautiful? You've got Coralina tile here. This is your saltwater pool. It has an infinity edge. Look at the lounges. This is all your property. Everything you see is your property here. And then it just looks over to the mountains, and you're just nestled here. A great space. This is artificial turf here, so it's a great like chipping green here. You've got the papayas. Can you see the papaya tree over there with the papayas? I just think that's great. Everything you see here, so this is the border of the property. The owner has also planted lemoncillo, which is an amazing fast-growing plant. You won't even see that wall in about 4 to 6 months. So it's just gonna be a wall of green and then overlooking the mountains. Look at the size of this principal bedroom. I also love, there's gonna be a lot of workspaces. So many of my clients like to work from home now, or even when they're down here, right? So this is a great space for that. A beautiful large desk here. There is a huge walk-in closet on this side. Speaking of huge, look at the size of this principal bathroom, you guys. This is spa-like. I feel more relaxed just walking in here. You've got dual vanities. I think this shower is incredible. I love the stone floor, no slip surface, and I love the detail in this shower, really nice. Also, you have the windows there so you can see the trees. This is my favorite. We have a standalone tub here, beautiful accents, and you just look over your grounds and look at the mountains. Of course, we have privacy blinds if you want them, but I just think this is amazing. I mean, isn't this just spa-like? I think they did a really great job with this principal bathroom. Okay, then you just look at that. That's one of my favorite views from the home. Okay, there's lots more to explore. Here, an amazing laundry room, side by side, really no expense spared here. More storage, a great livable space. I just want you to see, look out the window there. That's also your property. Tons of space. We have a little soccer action out there, and then it's just surrounded by beautiful trees. They also planted some fruit trees in this section over here. Plenty of space. This was kind of meant to be the mother-in-law suite here, and I think they did a great job. So it's very private from the rest of the home, and the other bedrooms are on the other side. So as you can see, this is a great space. It overlooks beautiful nature. So did a really nice job with this side of the home. And then of course you have your own ensuite bathroom here, and I love the tile. Again, really unique and large. Great space for this home here. Comes with its own closet. They've got games here. Just a really fun space. Okay, let's see what else we have before we explore the other wing of the house. And by the way, I love that it's set up with the principal bedroom over here and the other bedrooms on this side. That's just a great layout for privacy, noise, all of that. I want to show you, there's another half bath here. Remember, we came through the principal, a beautiful statement door, I like to call them. But this is kind of their back door. Look at this. So this is what I call Costa Rica living. So this is the back door. It's meant to take advantage that if it's rainy season, that you can just park right here under this great covered parking. It's got Caña Brava, it looks beautiful, lights for at night, and then you can just walk in with your groceries. Another thing I like, huge bodega, a huge storage workspace for those guys out there who like to work with tools. If you want a little arts and crafts, that's a great space out there. Surfboards, we are in Playa Grande after all, so they have surfboard shelving here. And just, this is a great place if you wanted to have a get together, throw a party. You could do it outside out of this covered space. And for me, like, this property just encapsulates outdoor living, right? So you've got, you've got your fitness, your punching bag, you saw the soccer, you've got basketball out here. Like anything you want to do outside, you can do it with this home, and this home was built for that reason. And that makes me happy because, of course, you're in Costa Rica to take advantage of the climate and the weather, right? This is not a cookie cutter home. And it really shows. I mean, this was really custom made. We are also in a great community. So another reason I love this home, look out there, like you wouldn't even think that you are a part of one of the fastest growing communities we have here. So this is not a gated community, nor does it want to be. But Playa Grande is hugely popular for my clients. People who love nature, yoga, the ocean, surf, love Playa Grande. Got a killer restaurant scene. And then this side road here is developing as its own little open community, and it is thriving. There are a ton of homes being built, so everybody wants to be here. So you already have an amazing community and neighborhood out here, but I love it that you're removed from the road because you're on almost 2 acres here, right? So you're part of this great thriving community. So you want to be where other people want to be, but you're a little removed so you don't have to hear all of the construction or see, more importantly, all the construction that's going on. But it's a great place. I actually have a lot of friends who are building on this street, so it's great. I also love that you can just look right out here from this hallway, very impactful. Show you different views. Look at this outdoor kitchen with a Weber grill, really nice. It's also covered, and you have lights out here. I mean, I would just stay out here. I mean, this outdoor space alone is larger than some of my listings on the inside. It's a pretty grand space. Come on, I want to show you the other rooms here. This is another one of my favorites. Pocket doors. God, I love pocket doors. This is currently being used as a movie room. I think it's super cool. You can make it an office. It's a great flex space. I love that they're taking advantage of the beauty of the outdoors. It's just beautiful river rock, plants, gardens. Of course, again, we have blinds. You can make it as dark as you want, but it's just a really beautiful space, day or evening. Here is the third bedroom. You have your closets over here, and these bedrooms have sliding glass doors out. Did you see the fire pit out here? It's a really great vantage point. Let's come out here and explore this, because can you see there? You have a great driveway when you enter the home. The curb appeal is amazing. You have an automatic gate upon entry. This is all your property, and it just looks really, really nice immediately from driving up. This is one of, I think it's the largest piece of property in this neighborhood. It was one of the first to be built, and so they have a larger plot here. All of the other new homes that are being built on this road, considerably smaller lot size. Another cool feature, I'm gonna let you go through this bathroom here. This is like a Jack and Jill bathroom. We're just gonna pop out over here. So here we are on bedroom number 4. Again, great sliding glass doors. I love these coffered ceilings. Every room has AC and a great fan. They made this a desk. You could put a closet here. They just prefer to have another desk working space. And then of course you just walk right outside to the beautiful tropical living there. Really nice, right? Okay, here we have bedroom, what are we on? Bedroom number 5, here we go. So every bedroom has sliding glass doors out to really nice tropical living, and they're all a really nice size, which is nice. All right, let's go outside. I have a few more things that I just want to show you out there, so we'll end out there. And again, Playa Grande is one of those, we've had a lot of recent sales out here in Playa Grande. It's really where my clients are expanding to. It's very centrally located, and so this is great. This is a saltwater pool also. I think this is great. And then I just want to show, this is a water feature. We don't have it on right now, but this is a water feature that comes over. I have a little bonus for you. So believe it or not, again, you can see the palm trees that are planted. That's super cool. That's going to be lovely when it is mature. All this property is yours, okay? Look at this space. You can put a second home there. You can put a yoga pavilion. The owners are talking about putting a pickleball court there. I mean, that's pretty amazing. We've had one listing with a pickleball court here in Costa Rica, and we sold it within 3 weeks. So the fact that you have this space makes it really nice. And then there's this waterfall edge. Not only does it look great, but it just sounds great, right? You feel a little bit like you're in your own retreat here because you are. You have your putt-putt chipping private area. You've got your saltwater pool. You've got your spa in your principal bedroom. So for all of these reasons, I just love Casa Rico. You will not find a better valley view home for this quality build at this price. Don't take my word for it. Come on down. We will show you the competition because I know this will beat the competition every time. So thank you so much for watching. This is Casa Rico. Please leave in the comments what you think about this home and what you would do with the extra space that's made available with this home. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now and Pura Vida.